Hello friends, today's topic is taken from economy. The title of today's video is Currency, a greatest invention of human history. Currency is a medium of exchange for goods and services. Different countries have different currencies at a different time. For example, rupee is an Indian currency. Dollar is an American currency. Why I say currency as the greatest invention of human history? There are a lot of inventions which has dramatically transformed the human history. These include steam engine, electricity, artificial intelligence, and so on. But no one has noticed the invention of currency, which has dramatically transformed the human history. Imagine the world before the invention of currency. There is no comparison between the world before the invention of currency and after the invention of currency. To understand it, we take the example of India. It is said that second urbanization took place in India around 600 BC. This is the period of Gautam Buddha and Mahavir. The second urbanization could not have succeeded if there were no punchmark coins. Mostly, punchmark coins were made up of silver. These coins bear symbols such as tree, hill, or river, each of which punched on the coin with a separate punch. These coins were issued by Mahajanpad or the large state like Magad. These punchmark coins had facilitated the trade and commerce, which made the second urbanization successful. Now we take the example of global currency. At present, the American dollar is the global currency, that is globally traded. Globalization of the world is facilitated because of American dollar. What does the currency do? The currency helps to create the faith between two persons, between two parties, or among the participants in trade. Faith is the most essential ingredient or element of any currency. As American dollar has created faith among the global investors, the trade through the globalization expanded dramatically. Once, Osama bin Laden, the infamous leader of terrorist organization Al-Qaeda, said, "I can believe in American dollar, but not the US government." To conclude, the invention of currency is the greatest and silent invention of human history, which makes the humankind more social animal. Thank you for watching my video.